And welcome back to Twoguysfinance channel, and today we're going to be looking at the best Cowrywise savings plan setup for beginners. You see, the core of Cowrywise experience is automation, which helps you save consistently and reach your financial goals. Now you have to follow these steps to create your first savings plan on the Cowrywise app. First, you need to download the app. This is the app. You need to download it from the Google Play Store if you're using an Android device, or from the Apple App Store if you're using an iPhone or an iOS device. Now, after downloading it, make sure you have the latest version of the Cowrywise app installed. You will not need to sign up for free if you do not already have an account. To know how to do this, you can check out our video on how to create an account on Cowrywise. Next, you have to navigate from the home. This is the app's home page. You have to navigate to savings by clicking on save. So once you click on save, the save icon or the save tab, now you have to create a new plan or pick one of the plans here. You can see save by yourself. If you want save by yourself, you choose one of the plans here. You can see they are empty. They've already created saving for car, study, for home, for emergency, for general. And you want to save with others, you can choose from here, or you can add by clicking on the plus icon. So over here, I click on the plus icon to create a new plan. So you can save for anything that matters. Click on continue. Then next thing you're going to do is to give it a name. That's to personalize it. Now let's say I want to save for a vacation. Then tap on done, tap on continue. And the next thing you're going to do after writing what it is, maybe vacation fund, emergency fund, is to set the amount. That is the amount you want to save periodically. You can start for as low as 1,000 naira. Then you choose the frequency. How often do you want to save? Is it daily, weekly, or monthly? Let's say I want to save it weekly, for example. Then you choose the day of the week that works for you. Let's say I choose Sundays. Tap on done. Then is it once, or you want to do it continuously? If it's once, you tap on this. If it's not once, you choose the week again. Alright. Now, for how long? That is the duration or maturity date. Here you're going to set the length of your plan with a minimum lock duration of 3 months. This is the minimum. So it helps you build discipline as your saving earn returns daily. Let's say I choose, or you can click on let me choose if you want to specify. So you can see, to ensure the big goal happens, your plan will be locked until March 3rd, 2026. Then you click on continue. Now you see a summary. You have to carefully review all the details you've entered to ensure accuracy. Make any necessary adjustment before proceeding. So don't forget, you can also set up automation via debit card or opt for manual bank transfer when you're choosing a payment method. So tap on choose payment method. I can see I only have bank transfer because I have not added other payment method. So you can start a one-time deposit, add your bank account later for automated deposit. See, I have not done that. That is why. This is a regular plan. Now notice that this regular plan is the recommended plan. Yes, regular savings plan is recommended starting point for beginners that allows you for daily, weekly, or monthly automated savings with a minimum duration of 90 days. So you click on pay, and it's creating your account. And then to give you the bank account, you have to pay to and the account number. And once you're done with the creation, the amount to be deducted automatically according to the way you set it, the set frequency, helping you save consistently towards your goals. You can monitor your progress and daily returns directly on your dashboard. So if you have paid, you tap on I have paid, and that's it. You rock. So you can now confirm by viewing your savings. It's as simple as that. It's supposed to show up here, so you can turn it on or off by clicking on the eye. You can also automate by tapping on this. You can link accounts or do it later. So that's it. Hope you found this video helpful.